guys! Welcome back to my channel. And today's tutorial, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano i-hide ang mga subscriber nyo or kung paano i-hide kung ilan na ang mga subscriber nyo para hindi makita ng inyong mga audience. So kung gusto nyo yan, just keep on watching. Hi guys! So, first, ipapakita ko muna yung channel ko, yung nakatago yung subscriber, yung hindi makikita kung ilan na ang subscribers ko. So, punta tayo sa channel ko. Ayan. Your channel. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, nakikita po guys. Subscriber ko is 450. So, i-hide natin yung subscriber natin guys. So, next guys is punta tayo sa YouTube Studio. Cancel natin yan. YouTube Studio. Yan. And then, sa pinaka-left guys, mag-scroll down kayo. Yan, scroll down nyo. And then, sa second to the last guys, click nyo yan. And then, channel, click nyo yung channel. And then, advanced settings. Ayan, and then scroll down. Ayan guys, subscriber count. I-uncheck nyo yan, tanggalin nyo yung check. So, just simply click that one. Ayan. And then, click save. Ayan guys. Ayan, save na yan. So, let's check my channel again kung naka-hide na ba. So, click lang natin to wait. Click lang natin yan. And then, your channel. Ayan guys, naka-hide na siya guys. So, ganun lang talaga kadali guys. And, I hope you learned that simple thing from me. Kung gusto nyo i-hide yung channel nyo, super easy lang. And, that's it guys. And thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the button bell para ma-notify ka for my next tutorial. Thank you and bye-bye.